Okay, so this is EIN 13. What I'm going to talk about in this is a vignette, actually, of something that is very interesting. Okay. It looks like this. Existence himself had a small civilization, if you even can call it that. Okay, before everything, before a lot. And then he realized that it multiplied, divided, and left while it was still there. Okay, he knew the picture before anything. He was smart. And he's good at chess, so he knows chess. Chess, the game chess. The comedy is why. I'm not going to say why in this one. And then what I'm going to talk about in this one is this. It looks like the highest of the greatest extent gets fucked too, and they didn't like it. But they moved to beyond where crap exists. And they kind of have not much to do, but they do find what they have to do eventually. The problem is, it's such a vast story, really. And then to bring back to an alien, the story of the alien that doesn't need space. He could not be in space. He could be just get to where he has to go to. And the funny thing is, there's so much life in the universe. What I'm saying is that the exponentiality of things is false. The universe doesn't care to have exponentiality, or baby universes or omniverses. He wants one universe. If that, even if going that far. The thing is, exponentially doesn't solve crap. Okay, the problem is the planet has exponential amount of people in it. The reason why you fall into the bad plan, I'll talk about that, and or the good side, is because the good side is like cruel and unusual, and dumb, very dumb. Okay, and if they think they're blessed, then they're paranoid, cruel and unusual and dumb. The good side is highly intelligent, the hottest, and have that vicious fate upon them. Not because of a plan, because you fall into that with that criteria. Dumb shit, hot, smart shit, what do you think will happen? And then, they're strong too, the dumb shit's strong. Now, when you find out why things are that dumb, it's because of exponentiality. And exponentially, things don't occur correctly. Things don't occur correctly exponentially. Okay? They never do. Now, I know you think a woman has a child, that's like an exponent, but yes. But not a lot. See, what the race did know is shown in Stargate with Jay Davidson and Kurt Russell. It's shown that in the beginning, without the pyramid there, the race was just like going to fade out. The race began, but it was going to fade out. It's like very small tribes of people. That's pretty much the extent of the humans, in my opinion. All this stuff is exponentially ridiculous. The only reason why civilization started, civilization isn't civil. But I'll tell you this, it gets to be a large discussion, really, because everything can't exist. Now, if you think evil wins, you're dead wrong about that. So the religion brings good and evil in. Good doesn't win either. It's a stalemate. And not even that good. It's like tides ruin everything, like tides of the ocean. They don't go by good and evil. They don't give a shit. It's like tides of the universe wreck everything. The problem is that you can't understand when things are agitated and aggravated. It gets to be a hostile story, which brings you up to the Tool line, and the universe is hostile and cruel. He talks about it in one of his Tool records. The reason why is because it's exponentially pissed. This baby versus omniverses versus the people haven't charted yet, and it gets damn annoyed at shit. The reason why things can't be small either is because of some kind of inertia that happens. An inertia occurs. The aggravating thing is there can only be nothing. And of course, when there's only nothing, there's something, which is why it's a very deep point. When there's only nothing, which is nothing's point, really, there's something in a spatial capacity or not. The problem is nothing doesn't have a spatial fucking capacity. It doesn't need one. It's nothing. The problem is there's something. And it's so aggravating, the perplexing. But I'll go into this further in EIN 14. Thank you.